So in this video guys, I'll be showing you how you can get a perfect UK US postal code and also a house address for your survey. Now if this sounds like what you're interested in, please do well to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and most especially turn on bell notification so YouTube can always notify you whenever valuable content like this is being posted in this channel. Now many of us actually don't know the difference between zip code and postal code. Now before we proceed with this video, I'm going to be explaining what zip code is and what postal code is so you can know the one you're putting in for your surveys. Now this actually matters when you're doing surveys because it also adds to the success of your account. Now what zip code actually specifically mean is that it's a type of postal code. Okay, it's a type of postal code used in United States. While postal code is the general in international term for any mail sorting code, the main difference are that zip codes are always numeric and specific to US. Okay, it's specific to US system, whereas the international postal code can be mixed of letters and numbers and vary in format by country. So this is the difference between a postal code and a zip code. A zip code is a specific type of postal code used in United States. Most times when you hear zip code, is specifically for the United States regarding surveys. So with the understanding that we know that this is the difference between zip code and this is the difference between postal code, we can know the one we are using. Now for some of you that are into surveys that are United States, you can agree with me that you mostly are asked of a zip code, not a postal code. Now in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can get your postal code and likely to get your zip code as well. Now what we are going to be doing right now is to first of all connect our proxy. For some of you, you might be using your Mysterion VPN. For some of you, you might be using your peer proxy. Now these are the two location changer that we are actually using. So what we are going to be doing right now is to head over to our peer proxy. For some of you that don't know how peer proxy works, you actually need a CD key to actually obtain your peer proxy. So right now what we are going to be doing is to come over to our account. So right here I have 4 IPs left. I'm going to come over to proxy right here, and I'm going to come over to my proxy right here. So you can see proxy list. So once we come over to proxy list, we need to select a country. So for the sake of this, I want to start with the United Kingdom postal code. So I'm going to be selecting a location that is United Kingdom. So once you see a location icon or an abbreviation that is GB, that is actually for United Kingdom. So let's say we want to go for this particular first one, so we don't actually waste time in this video. So you can see we have the US and other countries right here. So let me click on this right now so you can see that. So now we have selected that particular IP for this particular teaching. You can see we have the country to be GB, so that is United Kingdom. So to make this activated, just come down to this particular icon where you see not connected, toggle this on. As you can see, connecting. So this has actually connected. Now to show that this has actually connected, you can go over to any of your browser and type in the word.net the way we used to do it. This is just a way of confirming that you're connected to the United States. So let's come right here and let's put in word.net. So you are going to be seeing the way I'm going to be doing this so you can get to understand how postal code and zip code works. So right here, this is word.net. Let me zoom this. This is word.net. Let's refresh this. Let me come again. Word.net. So this is the interface. You can see right here that we are United Kingdom and this is the city. So to get your postal code for this, the first thing you need to do is to come over to your browser. You can use any browser for this. What we're going to be doing right here is to say, what is my IP address.com. So you click on go. So once you click on what is my IP address.com, you are going to be coming right here. Now the next thing you want to do right here is to come down where you can see the city and the region. Okay, so what we are after is to copy the city. Okay, so this city is actually Cambridge. You can come right here and copy the city, not the region. You can see what I just did. Copy the city. You can see that. So once you've copied that, what you can actually do is to go over to your browser. Make sure you select another browser, or you kind of save this. Okay, so what we are going to be doing is to come over to another browser. Let me say I'm using Kiwi right here. I've actually copied that. Note that I've copied my city, so you can actually save that. So what I'm going to do right now is to come right here and type in what is the postal code. Remember, we are actually starting with the postal code. What is the postal code for this city? Then you paste the city we copied. You paste the city we copied, which is Cambridge. You paste it and you click on search. Okay, now you've gotten this. What is the postal code for this city? You've actually seen that. Okay, so you've actually seen that. So this is what we are going to be doing. This particular first one is what we are going to. Most times if I'm to do this, I normally jot it down. Like I write it somewhere to actually copy it, to actually keep it as a record. But you can actually go over to use another browser. So right here you can see we have the CB2 and we have the 9FF. You can see that right there. So I have actually crammed this. So the next thing you want to do right now is to go over to what we call Doga postcode generator. Doga post generator or Doga postcode generator. So once you click on that, click on this first one right here. So you have to wait for it to load. So you'll be looking for the first letter that begin with this particular code we just crammed or we just copied. So you need to wait. I think the network is slow, so let's just hold on. Let me click on it again. So the site is actually not reachable, so it's actually loading. So once you're here, this is Doga postcode generator. This particular platform, you're going to be getting the whole thing you need. So let's close this. So right here, what we're going to be doing is to look for the first letter of that code I just showed you. That postcode we just copied. So you're going to be coming down to this button right here, and that particular code started with CB. So you're going to be coming down. So this is CB. You can see that I copied CB to 9FF. So click on generate random postcode. So you can see this is the postcode that you are to use for the survey you want to use now. Okay, you can tend to use it for other surveys, or you can tend to use it for a particular one. You can always want to get new postcode and new address. Because me, I actually use this for a particular survey and I use another postcode, because generating a postcode is not difficult. You can see the process. So now we've gotten the postal code. Now you can come down right here for some surveys that actually requires your address. Now you're going to be coming down where you can see create a matching address. Then you just come down and click on create a matching address. It won't take up to 1 second. Your matching address is created. So I think you just click on create matching address. Then okay, so I think the network was down. So you can see that your address is, so this is your address and this is your postcode. This is your address and this is your postcode. You can see that. So this is your postcode and this is your address. So don't try creating a matching phone number, because you won't be getting an OTP. So these are only what you need right here: your postcode and your matching address. So you can go ahead to use this for your service and you are good to go. You don't have any issues on your account. So this is how you can create a UK postal code for your surveys, and you're going to be having a smooth and good running survey on your account. So just go ahead to jot down your postal code and your matching address. So once you're done, you're good to go to enjoy your service. So that is all you need to get your postal code and your matching address. If you want me to make a video to explain how to get a zip code for the United States that can actually work fully on surveys, go down below this video and comment that, and I'll be glad to make a video about that so you can actually have a good running of your survey account. So thank you for watching this video to this point. I hope you understood all what I said and got value from this video. And if you have any questions regarding all what I said, go down below this video and drop your comments. Also do well to like this video, subscribe and turn on the bell notification so YouTube can always notify you whenever I upload any valuable content like what you just watched. It's always advisable you join my social media platforms, my Telegram channel and my WhatsApp group, where I won't give aways and also show you some specific ways you can use to boost your online presence in today's world. So see you on my next video and always keep winning.